Mold is a common problem on houseplants, especially if your plants are overwatered or don't get enough sunlight. Fortunately, most mold infestations in houseplants are treatable. If you notice mold on the soil around your plant, scoop it away with a garden spade or a spoon. If there is too much mold to scoop away easily, repot the plant in fresh soil. Give the soil a chance to dry out a bit before watering the plant again, since moisture can encourage new mold growth. Check that the soil is dry to a depth of at least 2 to 3 inches, 5.1 to 7.7 centimeters, or wait until just the surface is dry if it's a type of plant that requires a lot of moisture. To keep the mold from coming back, sprinkle a natural antifungal, such as baking soda, cinnamon, or apple cider vinegar, to the top surface of the soil. Anytime you notice dead leaves or other debris in the soil, pick them out quickly so they don't encourage new mold to grow. Sometimes a mold infestation can spread to the plant itself. Active mold will look like soft, fuzzy patches on the leaves or stems, while dormant mold may look powdery and pale. If you notice mold on your plant, take it outside and set it somewhere away from other plants in your yard or garden. Wet a paper towel and use it to carefully wipe the mold off of the leaves. Switch to a fresh paper towel after each wipe. If you can still see mold on any of the foliage, trim the affected leaves off with a sharp knife or pair of garden shears and throw the leaves away. Finally, spray your plant with a store-bought plant fungicide and bring it back inside. To keep the mold from coming back, keep your plant in a bright, dry place where it can get good air circulation. Maintain a temperature of around 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21.1 degrees Celsius, which should keep most plants warm enough without encouraging mold. Always plant new houseplants in sterile soil and avoid overwatering your plants, since mold loves moisture. Trim away dead leaves and flowers as soon as you notice them, and wipe your leaves regularly to remove dust, debris, and spores.